to another simple vegan recipe. I am your host, Cleanne Johnson, and I'm going to do a zesty lemon chia pudding. So let's get started with the simple vegan recipe. So these are the ingredients needed for the zesty lemon chia pudding. 1 lemon, vanilla essence, almond milk, blue agave, chia seeds, and salt. In this mixing bowl, we have 5 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1.5 cups of the unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of the blue agave, 1 teaspoon of the pure vanilla, 1 zest of a lemon, and 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt. So we're gonna mix this together and place it in the refrigerator overnight. So this is the final product that was placed in the refrigerator overnight. It is done, the zesty lemon chia pudding, and you can garnish it with whatever you want to, chocolate, whipped cream, whatever you would like to garnish it with. Okay, so we're all done with another simple vegan recipe, and I hope you guys give it a try and subscribe to the channel for more simple vegan recipes. And I'll see you next time on Simple Vegan Recipes. Bye for now.